Now what's up, y'all? I'm back at it again with another banger, man. I'm finna make a Rod Wave type beat. Yeah, he dropped, I think Friday, really Thursday night at 11. I'm about to drop a banger, man, for real. So I'm about to do that real quick. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all. This is gonna be a banger, man, for real. This something that like fit his tape, like that he's dropping. I feel like it's gonna be something like this. I mean, I don't know, but I did hear a leak. Yeah, I heard it. I already heard. Somebody sent me the leak like 2 months ago. I had the tape in June, so I've been heard it. I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say I ain't like the tape. He probably changed it, but I don't know. Like what I heard was a whole different tape. it's already mixed. If you want me to do a mixing video of how to mix beats, I'll do that for y'all. But it'll be like a little later on because everything I got coming out already scheduled. You probably want to see this for another 3 weeks, probably 2, maybe 2 if I'm feeling generous. I don't know. I gotta see though. I got so much content, like shit crazy. Like a nigga that really made like 3 videos a night type shit. So yeah. But now I'm finna get back to this and show y'all how I did it.
Hey Keezy, it's the motherfucking way, nigga.
Playing with the boy, man. Hey, man, it's real simple. It's complex. I ain't want to do too much. But you get my drift on, you know what I'm trying to do. But to be honest, I can hear Money Man on this beat. I can hear Tusi. I can hear, Rod Wave for sure. Just a cool pain beat. It ain't too much going on. It's chill, man. One thing about this stuff, you ain't gotta do too much. That's where a lot of people mess up. They try to do too much. You ain't gotta do all that, man. You ain't gotta do the bare minimum. Just you know what I'm saying? As long as it sound right, it's mixed well. It ain't like chopping it like nobody ear and then you straight. You got shit to worry about. That's free game right there. Learn how to mix your beats. I mean, if it's a Baton Rouge beat, I understand, you know. You want that bitch to be busting and make it, you know what I'm saying, attack. But I don't like some shit like this. You ain't gotta have your shit, everything too loud. I feel like niggas do that too much. They want their shit to be just busting. But anyway, this the final beat. I might just play that bitch for y'all.
Hey Keezy, it's the motherfucking way, nigga.
Anyways, that's the video, man. I ain't gonna talk your ear off, man. That's the final beat. Go like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Keezy D2R. Instagram, _Keezy. You know, look me up, man. Come, buy some beats from me. Want to collab with me? We could collab. We could, you know, whatever you want to do. We could wrap it up, man. You know, get something going. Make some hits. I'm out of here.